Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tuwassir wa tammim bil khair. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Yesterday we finished the lesson number 1 of the book 2, and today inshallah we will start the lesson number 2 of this book. Today inshallah we will learn about the Laisa. Laisa, it means is not, and it is used in a nominal sentence. Laisa is used in a nominal sentence. So what is the Laisa? Before we start the lesson, we learn more about the Laisa. This is the classification of the fail. This is the classification of the fail. There are two kinds of the fail. There are two kinds of verb or fail. The first is al-failu tam. What is the meaning of al-failu tam? The complete verb. Al-failu tam is the complete verb. So this fail has a file, al-failul tam. It has a file, and or it can have a maf'ul bihi. It can have a maf'ul bihi. Fail tam, there are two kinds. The first is intransitive verb. Fail lazim. Intransitive word means fail lazim. Fail lazim, it only have file, fail and the file. In the fail lazim, it only have fail and file. It doesn't need any subject. So it don't have a subject. Oh, sorry, object. It doesn't need any object. And the second form of the fail, second kind of the fail tam is transitive verb. Transitive verb has fail, has file, and it need a maf'ul bihi. So if a fail need maf'ul bihi, it is transitive verb or fail mutaddi. In Arabic, we call it fail mutaddi. And intransitive is fail lazim. Intransitive is fail lazim. And transitive is mutaddi. So these are the two kinds of the fail tam. Fail lazim and fail mutaddi. Intransitive and transitive. So fail, it has another kind of fail. Al-failul nakis. Al-failul nakis. The incomplete verb or deficient verb. It cannot have a file. Fail nakis, it cannot have a file. So we use it in the nominal sentence. Instead, it has ism and khabar. It has ism and khabar. Like kana wa akhawatu kana. This is a group of the fail nakis. So all the fail nakis which are on the they are in the family of the kana. Okay. So they don't have a file. They cannot have a file. They cannot have a file. And there is another kind of the fail. There is another kind of the fail. We say it fail jamid. Fail jamid هو الذي يلزم صورة واحدة في الماضي أو الأمر. Fail jamid, it only have one form. Fail jamid, it only have one form. Suratun wahidatun. If the fail is fail madi, it doesn't have fail mudare form, or it doesn't have amar. And if it is fail amar, it doesn't have the form of the mudare, and it doesn't have the form of the fail madi. Like fail madi, example laisa. Laisa is a fail jamid, and this is fail of the fail madi, past tense. So there is no form in mudare. Laisa has no form in the mudare. So there is no fail mudare of the laisa. Okay. Asa, ne'ma, and besa. So these are the fail of the fail madi, and they don't have a form of the fail mudare. Laisa will always be laisa, and there is no fail mudare of the laisa. Asa is asa, and there is no form of the fail mudare. And same nema, and same with the besa. And if the fail is amar, like hab means zun, ta'allam bimani ilam. So zun and ilam is amar. So hab is also fail amar. This hab have no fail madi and no fail mudare. This hab has no fail madi and no fail mudare. It is fail of amar. Same with the ta'allam. This is also fail amar. So it has no fail madi and no fail mudare. No past tense and no future tense or present tense. And Lisa, it is past tense. So it has no future tense, no present tense, and it has no imperative sentence. It has no fail amar. So they remain single form. They contain a single form. So this is the fail jamid. So Lisa is a special verb. Lisa is a special verb. Just now I told you why it is a special. And this special verb, we call it failed nakis. And in incomplete past tense. So like verbs Lisa, they can be conjugated with the 14 form of the pronouns. We can make the we can say forms of the verb with the pronouns. We will learn in the lesson, inshallah. So this Laisa is fi'l naqis, and as well it is a fi'l jamid. Laisa is fi'l naqis. It is fi'l naqis plus it is jamid. Jamid means static. They don't change, they don't move. It means, okay. So like it is used in a nominal sentence. It is used in a nominal sentence. Al-baytu jadidun. The house is new. It is a nominal sentence. Al-baytu is mubtada and jadidun is khabar. Laysal baytu bi jadidin. The house is not new. The house is not new. This is the verb of the fi'l madi, but it gives the meaning of the present. Is not new. So when we use Laisa in the Jumlatul Ismiya, the mubtada, it become Ismu Laisa. Ismu Laisa. Because it cannot have a file. Fi'l naqis, it cannot have a file. It only can have a ism. So this al-baytu, it is Ismu Laisa. And bi jadidin is Khabru Laisa. Same like the last lesson we learned about the harf nasab, inna and Allah. So inna and Allah, they also, when we enter into the Jumlatul Ismiya, the mubtada become Ismu inna and khabar become khabru inna. Same with the Laisa. Mubtada become Ismu Laisa and the khabar become Khabru Laisa. Note that the B is added to the khabar. Harf-jar B is added to the khabar and it is therefore majroor. Because of this is an extra proposition. It is optional. We can use it, or if we don't want to use, we can skip it. So we can write the khabar of the Laisa with this harf-jar B, or we can write the khabar of the Laisa without this B proposition. After the introduction of Laisa, the mubtada is called Ismu Laisa. The mubtada is no more mubtada. It is Ismu Laisa. And the khabar is called Khabru Laisa. Khabar is called Khabru Laisa. And this table will help you to understand it. Laisa is a verb, meaning is not. It requires a ism and a khabar to complete the meaning. It is incomplete verb, so it needs a ism and a khabar to complete its meaning. And it is used in a sentence as follows. Al-kitabu jadidun. Al-kitabu is mubtada and jadidun is khabar. So after using the inna, Laisa, Laisal kitabu bi jadidin. Laisa is fail. So al kitabu, it was the mubtada. So now it is no more mubtada. Now it is ismu Laisa. And this B is haruf jar, harfu jarrin, and this is zaidin. This is an extra. We can use it. We don't want to use. We don't use it. And jadidin is khabru Laisa. And this khabru Laisa is majroor because of this proposition B. Khabru Laisa usually take an extra preposition B. Khabru Laisa usually take an extra preposition harf B, as seen in the above example, B jadidin. So this B is an extra B, extra preposition. Khabru Laisa can also be written without a B. It can also without a B preposition. In this case, it will be mansoob. Khabru Laisa will be mansoob if we don't use the preposition be. Laisal kitabu jadidan. Laisa fail. Al kitabu ismu Laisa. And jadidan is khabru Laisa. So khabru Laisa is mansoob. And ismu Laisa is marfu. Ismu Laisa is marfu and khabru Laisa is mansoob. Yeah. B jadidin is majroor because, and it is ismu Laisa, khabru Laisa. It is jar majroor, and jar majroor in the nominal sentence, it is shibul jumla. So it is khabar, because it is khabar, and khabar of the Laisa is mansoob. Khabar of the Laisa is mansoob. So it is fi mahli nasbin. Khabru Laisa will always be mansoob. So because this is a proposition, murakkab jari, jar and majroor, and we consider it is a mabni. So the mabni asma and mabni murakkab, for them we use term fi mahali raf'in, fi mahali nasbin, and fi mahali jarrin. So mabni are the constant nouns. They are not marfu, they are not mansoob, and they are not the majroor. They occupy the place. If the khabar is marfu, it occupies the place of the khabar. If the khabar is marfu, so it will be at the place of khabar, and at the place of khabar, it will be marfu. So here the khabar is mansoob. Khabru Laisa is mansoob. It is occupying the place of the khabar. So khabru Laisa is mansoob. So this is fi mahli nasbin. Is it clear? Next is the feminine of Laisa is Laisat. The feminine of Laisa is Laisat. Zainabu maridatun. Zainab is sick. Zainab is mubtada and maridatun is khabar. So after using the laisa, laisat Zainabu bi maridatin. Zainab is not sick. Zainab is not sick. So here laisa is fail. Zainab is ismu laisa. And bi maridatin is khabru laisa. And because it is shibul jumla, it is jar and majroor. So it is at the place of nasab. It is fi mahali nasbin. As-sayaratu qadimatun. The car is old. Laisatis sayaratu bi qadimatin. The car is not old. So as-sayaratu is ismu laisa and bi qadimatin is khabru laisa. And if the after laisat there is an ism with the alif and lam, then we give it kasra. So this is laisat taskun, and because there is alif lam, so we read it with the kasra. Laisatis sayaratu bi qadimati. Note that in the second example, the sukun of laisat, there is a sukun on the ta, has changed to kasra because of the alif lam. So it become laisat. Okay. Laisatil bintu. So it become laisatil bintu. In the book 1, we already have learned about this. So this is just a reminder. The form of laisa without other pronouns are mentioned in the exercise 3 in the main book. We will learn today, inshallah. This one we will learn today, inshallah. So in lastu bi muhandisin, the pronoun tu is ismu laisa. If we use it with the pronouns, so lastu bi muhandisin, tu is ismu laisa and bi muhandisin is khabru laisa. We also can say ana lastu bi muhandisin. I am not an engineer. Ana lastu bi muhandisin. I am not an engineer. So in this case, ana is mubtada and the sentence lastu bi muhandisin is khabar. Lastu bi muhandisin is khabar, and this is jumla failure. So in this sentence, jumla failure is khabar. This sentence is made of ismu laisa and khabru laisa, as we have seen earlier. Note there is another example. Ana mudarrisun. I am a teacher. Lastu bi mudarrisin. I am not a teacher. So it is khabar is majroor because of this be preposition. In the second example, ana minal hindi, there is already a preposition, min. Min is preposition, harf jar. So when we use it with the laisa, we will not use the haruf jar extra B. So lastu minal Hindi. Lastu minal Hindi. We will not say B minal Hindi. Two prepositions we will not use together. If the khabru laisa is prepositional clause, minal Hindi, it doesn't take the extra B. So one doesn't say lastu B minal Hindi. B is also preposition, min is also preposition. So this is not correct. We cannot say like this. Then the next is, we have seen in the book one that if the mubtada is indefinite, the khabar is a prepositional clause. The khabar is a prepositional clause. Prepositional clause mean shibul jumla, haruf jar. So li ikhwatin, li is khabar. This is prepositional clause. So li is khabar and ikhwatun is mubtada, and mubtada is nakira. Mubtada is nakira. Li ikhwatun, li ikhwatun, I have brothers. So when we use laisa li ikhwatun. Laisa li ikhwatun. So ikhwatun is ismu laisa. This ikhwatun is ismu laisa. And li is khabru laisa. Li is khabru laisa and ikhwatun is ismu laisa. Look here. Lastu bi tabibin. This is jumlatul failure. Lastu bi tabibin. It is jumla failure. Laisa is fail. Tu is ismu laisa. And B, this proposition is harfu jarin zaidin, and tabibin is khabru laisa. So B tabibin is khabru laisa. And this khabru laisa, is fi mahli nasbin. Because the shibul jumla, the phrase, propositional clause, it is mabni murakkab or compound. It is occupying the place of the khabar, and khabar of the laisa is mansub. Khabar of the laisa is mansub. So this bi tabibin is fi mahli nasbin. Same sentence if we used with the pronoun ana lastu bi tabibin. So ana is ism, it is a pronoun damir. So ana is mubtada. And this whole sentence, complete sentence, lastu bi tabibin. it is Jumlatul Failure, and this complete Jumlatul Failure is becoming Khabar here. Khabar of the Mubtada. Laisal Kitabu bi Jadidin. This is also Jumla Failure. Laisa is fail. Al Kitabu is Ismu Laisa. B harf jar Zaidin. And Jadidin is Khabrul Laisa. So B Jadidin is Khabrul Laisa, and it is Murakkab Jari. So it is at the place of Nasab. We can say like this. This can also be written as Al Kitabu Laisa bi Jadidin. The book is not new. So meaning is not changing. Meaning is the same. Laisa al Kitabu Jadidin, the book not new. And if we change into the nominal sentence, the meaning will remain the same. Al Kitabu Laisa bi Jadidin. The book is not new. So meaning is the same. Same with the above example. Lastu bi tabibin, I am not a doctor. Ana lastu bi tabibin, I am not a doctor. So there is no change in the meaning, but the form of the sentence is changed. Jumlatul Failure changed into the Jumlatul Ismiya. So Al-Kitabu Mubtada, Laisa bi Jadidin is Jumlatul Failure. So it is Khabar. And if you have any question, now we learn the forms of the Laisa with the pronouns. We learn that it is a fi'l madi. So with the huwa, like zahaba. So this zahaba is fi'l madi, and its file is hidden. Its file is mustatirun, mean its file is hidden, and its file is huwa. And Laisa is ismu Laisa. Oh, sorry, Laisa is fail, but it is fail nakis. So huwa is hidden, and huwa is ismu Laisa. So here huwa is not file. Huwa is not file with the Laisa. It is ismu Laisa. With the musanna dual in the fail madi, we use alif. So this alif is file. In the fail madi, it is file. So when we use with the zahaba, we use with the zahaba. So in zahaba, this alif is a file of the zahaba. And when we use with the Laisa, so this alif is not file. This alif is ismu Laisa. Same with the other pronouns. Hum, in the fail madi, we use waw and alif, and this waw is file. This waw is file. So zahabu, in zahabu, waw is file. In laisu, waw is not file. In laisu, waw is ismu Laisa. Here, we use suffix taskun, and its file is mustatirun, hidden, with the other verbs, zahabat, here is file. In zahabat, here is file and file is mustatirun, and with the laysat, here is ismu laysa. Here is ismu laysa, not the file. Same with the huma, we use ta and alif with the fi'l madi, and this alif is file. So zahabata alif is file, and laysata, this alif is ismu laysa, not the file of the laysa. And with the hunna, in the fi'l madi we use noon with fatah, so this noon is file. When we use with hunna, so it becomes zahabna. The third radical, lam kalima, becomes koon here. In zahabna, lam kalima, or the third radical, becomes koon. Ba becomes koon. So when we use this na with the laysa, what happened? Starting hunna, the kalma lam is koon. When we make form of the verb with the hunna, the lam kalima gets the sukoon. So where is the lam kalma in laysa? In fi'l laysa, where is the lam kalima?
Sin.
Where is the third radical?
Sin.
It is seen.
Seen is the third radical. This seen is the third radical. This is lam kalima.
Yes.
So when we use it with the hunna, this seen will become sukoon.
Yes.
And in the laysa, this ya is also with the sukoon. So with the noon, it becomes ya sukoon and noon sukoon. So there are the two sukoons.
Ya
We
and
can,
Sin.
sorry?
Sin Sakun, not Noon.
Yeah, okay. Lam kalma is sukoon.
Yes.
Ya sukoon and
Yes.
lam kalma seen is also the sukoon.
Sakun.
So there are the two sukoons together, ya and seen, both are the sukoon.
One should be dropped.
Okay, so we cannot pronounce this. What we do, since kalma ain already have a sukoon.
Yes.
Kalma ain mean ya. In the laysa, ya already had a sukoon. This results in iltiqa'u sakinin, the meeting of two sukoon. Iltiqa'u sakinin mean the meeting of the two sukoons. This is not permissible in Arabic. So the weak letter ya is dropped. The weak letter ya is dropped. This change applies to this group. This group mean fi'l naqis, like the laysa. Okay, here are more forms. So it becomes lasna. This is the final form with the hunna, lasna. And in lasna, this noon is ismu laysa. This noon is ismu laysa. So with the anta, we use ta, and ta is the file. So with the zahaba, ta is file, and with the lasta, ta is ismu laisa. Antuma, tuma, and tuma is file. Zahabtuma for fail zahaba, tuma is file, and lastuma for fail laisa, tuma is ismu laisa. Antum, we use tum is file. So zahabtum, tum is file of fail zahaba, and lastum is ism of the laisa. With the muannas, anti fail madi we use for the second person. Ti is file. Zahabti, ti is file of the zahaba, and lasti, this ti is ismu laisa. Antuma, tuma is file, and zahabtuma, tuma is file of the zahaba, and lastuma, tuma is ism of the laisa. Antunna, we use tunna, and tunna is file. So zahabtunna, tunna is file of fail zahaba, and lastunna, this tunna zamir is ismu laisa. And for the first person, we use tu in fail madi, and tu is file. Zahabtu is a file of the laisa, and this lastu, tu is ismu laisa. And with the musanna and the plural, we use nahnu, na. This na is file. Zahabna, file of the zahaba, and na is ismu laisa. So this is a comparison of the fail tam and the fail nakis. If inna is added to a sentence, ikhwatun, like li ikhwatun, it becomes inna li ikhwatun. So this li is khabar muqaddam, and ikhwatun is mubtada muakhar. This li is khabar muqaddam, and this ikhwatun is mubtada muakhar. So inna li ikhwatun, ikhwatun is ismu inna, so it is mansub, and li is khabru inna. Li is khabru inna, and khabru inna is marfu. So this li proposition harf jar majroor, it is shibul jumla, so it is fi mahli raf'in. Another thing in this lesson, Bilal ibn Hamid. Bilal is Bilal son of Hamid. In a construction like this, alif of ibnu is omitted. Alif of ibnu is omitted in writing, and the preceding tanween. Tanween of the Bilal is also omitted. So what if ibnu between the between two proper nouns, between two proper nouns, then we delete the hamza of the alif. This is hamzatul wasl, so we delete this hamza. We don't pronounce this hamza, and we don't write this hamza. So it becomes Bilal ibn Hamidin. And the noun preceding Bilalun, it lost the tanween. This was Bilalun ibnu Hamidin. So because it is coming between the two nouns, so its tanween is lost. We will write it without the tanween. Bilal ibn Hamidin. And this Bilal is not mudaf. Okay. And the next is Manil Akhu. Literally means who is the brother. Manil Akhu, who is the brother. It is a polite way of asking a stranger. It is a polite way of asking the stranger, who are you? When we want to ask a stranger, who is he? We use Manil Akhu. And this is the vocabulary in this lesson. Nahrun, river. Anharun is plural. Liqa'un mean meeting. Barqiyatun, telegram. Ana masrurun biliqa'ika. I am happy to meet you. Jayyidun, good. Masrifun mean bank. And masarifu is it's plural. Maktabul baridi, post office. Jaibun mean pocket. So juyubun is its plural. And these are the examples you can find here. Khabrul Aisa and Ismul Aisa. So in the first example, where is the Ismul Aisa and where is the Khabrul Aisa? In the first ayah.
As-subhu is the
Okay.
ism and bikaribin is the
Okay.
khabar of laysa.
Cannot listen you. Your voice is so weak.
As-subhu is the
The ism and bikaribin is khabar laysa.
Yes. Okay. Good. As-subhu Ismul Aisa. This is Ismu Laisa. And B Karibin is Khabru Laisa. So this B Karibin is Fi Mahali Nasbin. Okay. And in the second ayah, where is Ismu Laisa?
Ta is the ismu laysa and mursalan is khabar laysa.
Lasta Mursalan. Lasta Mursalan. So this Ta
Yes.
is Ismu Laisa. Ta is Ismu Laisa. Mursalan is Khabru Laisa. And Laisa is fail. Same here, Laisa is fail. Okay. And in the third example, Alaysa Zalika biqadirin.
Alaysa. Dhalika is the ism and biqadirin is khabar.
Okay, Zalika is Ismu Laysa.
Ismu laysa.
Zalika Ismu Laysa. Biqadirin is Khabru Laysa. Okay. And in the last, Lasta alayhim.
Lasta ta is ismu lasta laysa or lasta and alayhim is
Khabru Laysa.
khabar laysa.
Okay.
And then what will be the bimusaytir?
We can say
Bimusaitir, I think it is Khabru Laysa.
yes, it can be. It
Yes,
can be.
bimusaytir.
Okay. So they are the, we can say they are the relevant with the khabar also. So ta is Ismu Laysa.
Yes.
Ta is Ismu Laysa. And be Musaitirin. Because the Khabru Laysa is with the article be. Just now we learned the Khabru Laysa we use an extra preposition be. So this is the khabru laysa.
Yes.
في محل نصب.
Yes, this is khabru laysa and this is fi mahalli nasbin. Okay. In laysu sawa'an. Where
Here
is,
wawu is the ismu laysa
yes,
and sawa'an khabar laysa.
this waw is ismu laysa. This waw zamir is ismu laysa and sawa'an is khabru laysa. Okay, next. Alastu bi rabbikum. Am I not your Lord?
Tu is
Alas.
ismu laysa.
Tu
Bi
is
rabbi-
ismu laysa.
Bi rabbikum is khabar laysa.
Yes, bi rabbikum is khabru laysa. And khabru laysa is mansub, so it is fi mahali rafin. So fi mahali nasbin. Okay. Ya nisa an nabiyyi lastunna. So where
Tunna is ismu laysa.
tunna is ismu laysa. Ka ahadin minan nisa'i.
Khabar.
This is khabar.
Khabar.
So this all is khabar. And this khabar is
في محل نصب.
minan nisa'i. Lastunna minan nisa'i. You are not among the females. So ka ahadin minan nisa'i. You are not anyone among the women. So this is khabar and the mutalqiya khabar we can say. And this is fi mahali nasbin. So this was our lesson for today. Any of you have any question?
جزاكم الله
Okay,
خير.
inshallah. So tomorrow we have a book 3 class, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Any of you following the book 3 class, tomorrow you can join the book 3 class.
Inshallah.
إلى اللقاء إلى اللقاء مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.